So I told you guys we were gonna wake up at like 3 and go on the summit like I've been talking about all week and get some good pictures and videos. But it kind of had a thunderstorm last night and it's all icy up there and snowy. I really wanted to go, but instead of staying another night here, we are gonna pack up and hike back down to low camp and then hopefully do some rappelling if the weather permits, if that's how you say that. And now we're gonna do some MTV cribs before we leave. So Granny, why don't you just show us around here?
Alright, so check it out. This is where we start. So welcome to my crib. So here we have Aaron and Kate's tent. Alright, so we'll walk up here.
Look inside it.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, show like.
Look at all the space for two.
That is very spacious. That's
Look
actually
at that.
for 2 people. Wow. I mean, for you two, you probably only use half of it.
Don't put your dirty shoes on.
You know.
We got the luxury of Paul and AG's tent.
This is Paul. Without Paul, we would not be on this trip. Shout out to Paul. Also, shout out to Paul for those Tums last night. They got me through the night pretty good. Yeah. This is my.
No, this is our tent.
That's not my tent. This is their tent.
You know, it got a little wet last night.
Yeah, we all got wet.
But it's good.
It was real fun. Then here we have Melonhead. What's up, Zach?
And we got.
Because the sweatshirt.
Just like Blake's, Tim's,
Nice,
Jags.
nice.
Alright, that's good enough.
Nice. Dude, nice.
Pretty much empty.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Wait, we forgot Bob and Chad.
Oh no.
We had a little animal visit us last night.
In your tent?
That's awful.
No, it was in my
Bag?
sleeping bag. Or I mean in my backpack. But the animal somehow got in there. So if anybody would like a Reese's, here you go.
Oh, nice. Dude, we should be up there right now. But it's alright. This is goodbye to our home. We'll probably never be here again.
We gotta go up to the fire pit.
No, it's okay, true. So over here is where our lovely guides stayed.
Hey, what up?
You guys stayed dry last night? Dude, I dig the headband. I almost brought mine. You got a little damp?
You almost brought yours?
Yeah.
What is this?
What? What's this right here? Oh, that's my buff. Is that a buff?
This is a buff, bro.
Oh, that dude. That.
So, here we have the fire pit. Drew's casually drawing his sleeping bag.
Casually.
You know, this is where we do a lot of our sitting.
We burn the things here.
Okay. Well,
Anyway, let's get going.
Grant, I'm not going up there.
Come on.
I'm not.
We gotta go to the crew flies.
No! Alrighty, my dudes, we are on the trail. We are almost to the train tracks, and we have quite a bit of hiking to do today. And then I think we're just gonna set up low camp again, and then grab our day packs and head over to the rappelling site. And if it does not rain, then we will indeed be rappelling. And hopefully Grant will let me borrow his GoPro. I'll just use some of his footage. Sick.
Hey Grant, you should have brought a drone.
Tough. Tim, how is it?
I don't know, man. This is like a rabbit or something.
A rabbit?
This one is a horse. What is this? Is this a penguin? I don't know what that is. Oh, that's a penguin.
I think
Turtle? Rabbit. That's a penguin. I don't know.
So we're just out here on this field eating some snacks. Some muppy, yep. Some good muppy.
Is it supposed to be a penguin?
Some really good, yes. With this beautiful scenery.
Pokey boys.
No, prickly boys.
No, it's spiky boys.
Hey, what up, Steve? Are you vlogging me right now?
I am, in fact, yeah.
Oh, nice. Hey, world. Steve, what are you doing? This is so awkward. Stop vlogging me. Steve, do yourself a favor and stop vlogging me.
Oh, it's like the stuff we feed our cat.
Same as my tent.
All right, so
Alright, guys, we're over here.
we were. My hair's also pretty crazy.
I like it.
So we are back where we started at day 1. We were at the rappelling place because we got rained out last time. So hopefully we don't get rained out this time. And Nick is watching me.
Alright guys, we're gonna do some duo time right now, so...
Somewhat.
Tim is so happy right now.
What is going on, you guys? We just had a very big character and bonding experience.
Shut up!
Is that what that is?
Yeah, I guess. So we went up to rappel for the second time, and it's raining again.
More rain
And
this
we
time.
died.
And they sent me and Tim down, and it starts to rain, and then there was a huge thunder lightning right by them at the top.
Hit me in the toe.
So me and Tim went down that thing, and I slipped like twice. It was very scary, and Aaron is depressed, and he wants Chick-fil-A. We all want Chick-fil-A.
The lightning hit me in the toe, I swear.
And none of us, like low-key, none of us want to sleep in the tents tonight.
Dude, I want to.
Shut up, Jack.
I don't want to sleep in a tent.
Y'all can't handle this.
Yeah.
Oh, what is that?
Open the door.
What is that?
It was like an old graham cracker. Yeah, I just actually. It was like
Kelly boy, white boy from Ohio. Kelly boy, white boy, but I'm from Ohio, white boy.
Boys and girls. Now the question is, did you have fun this week or did you not have fun this week? And I want a truthful answer. I'm so glad you like me. It's so nice today.
Aaron Pete is terrifying.
He's not terrifying. Get to know him, you'll like him. Do you understand me?
You know him. You like him.
Terrifying.
I like farm. Oh my god.
I saved your head from hitting the screen, Jordan.
No block for Farmer Pete. That's all I can say.
That's high camp right there.
We literally.
Wow.
That's so radical.
That's actually, and that's the nipple. Wow, this looks so.
That's where I slid down.
No way, dude. Can you just tell me 3 more times?
Okay, so like I was up there and I like slid down in the ice and Steve wasn't there because he sucks. And
Okay,
then
two
we
more
had
times?
So much better time.
2 more times.
Oh, it was so amazing.
2 more times.
Like Steve doesn't even know how beautiful it was up there.
Wait. I remember when you slid down the ice up there.
Oh yeah, Aaron was there. Yeah, we were all there having the best time
Did you slide
ever.
down the ice when you were up there?
I did.
Dude,
yeah.
how
It was
dumb.
so crazy.
Oh my word.
Oh man, I can't even
You
get
actually
over it.
slid on the ice.
Yeah.
Wait, what did you do? Currently, we are at the prettiest place on earth. Don't really know what this place is called.
This place is too much for my virgin eyes.
Dude, ooh, fish!
There's man fishing I over there so bad.
Dude, same.
This is so cool.
Dude, this is so cool, dude. Oh my goodness.
Wow, just put it over.
No, because I wanted the view, Jaden.
Do it.
Oh my god.
Whoa, did you see that? Dude, he skipped it across the wire.
Whoa! Whoa! Okay, that's too much for me.
Oh! The amazing race! Oh!
After Summit as well.
Oh! Oh! Be greedy! Doze! Alright, so we're definitely out here right now.
We're definitely out here right now, just making some ramen noodles.
Yeah, dude.
That was here.
Hey. To your face. It's gonna be a thumbnail. Eating Muppy in the wild. So we just refilled that fat fuel bottle. And we're about to make some ramen noodles.
Some Muppy ramen noodles.
Oh yeah.
I don't think you have to specify that it's Muppy. Everyone just knows.
Yeah.
I think you should still specify.
It's inappropriate. It's.
Dude, that was pretty good, dude. I'll say it.
Are you tired? Yeah. Stop. You're terrifying.